Okay, Malagueña begins like this. On that E chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the F with the open first and second strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, back to E, and then it's G sharp B, E, G sharp B, A, G, F, E, G sharp B, E, and A, C, B, A, G, F, E, and the first and second fingers on the right hand are playing that, the triplet drone string. Often the strums are up, either with the thumb or the nails. And again, back to, we're going to now with E major chord there, and then we're moving to the first and second strings. The bass line melody is truly on the bass now. Stride right on up to the end, E, G sharp B, and then that's the E major chord. Moving into kind of a transition section here. That is an E major chord with a seventh, that D, and that D is on the melody, and F. And then F major, A, B, C, D, and B, and da, da, da. And it's, I'm really slowing this down, but it's, again, it's A. And then on the first string, up tempo. Then it repeats. And it's A. And now we got the triplet. Just do it slow as you need to keep it even. Fun song though. Fun piece. Up again to the F, and then the index and middle fingers are playing that first string. When you know it's hypnotic, then it's even, which is practice it. Then we're at the end here, and it's same two chords, E major, F major suspended, and then F and E, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and that's the way it ends. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. This is Guitar Bobby. Peace.